Hey, what's up guys? Now, if you're looking for an affordable townhouse here in Cadence, Henderson, well, stay tuned guys, because in this video, we are going to be touring the Plan 1405 by Century Community, so don't go anywhere. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, welcome everyone to Aldridge Townhouse Community by Century Communities here in Cadence. Now today is October 23, 2024. Now if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is a master plan community 25-30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Great for families. They're going to offer plenty of amenities, a park, a trail, a splash pad. They have an Olympic-sized swimming pool over here in Cadence. And yeah, again, great for families. They also have like an outdoor little fitness center here. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different townhomes here. They offer the 1405 plan, the 1478 plan, the 1479 plan. All these are going to be 2-story homes, 2 to 3 bedrooms. And the one thing that's really nice about these townhomes is for the price, you're going to get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. But yeah, out the door, for like the 1405 plan, they have quick move-ins from 380 to 385. The 1478, it's going to be about 384 to 400. And the 1479 is going to be 386 to 400. Okay. And that's out the door. That's including lot premiums. That's including upgrades. Okay. So the way they work here in Century Communities, they're building all spec homes, which are quick move-in homes. So a buyer can't pick out all their options. Century already does that. They're going to pay out all the options. And by the time you get into contract, they'll either have one that's ready for you or they'll have one that's a few months away from becoming fully built. Okay. Something I will say about the model homes and the quick move-in homes is there's going to be more upgrades in these model homes compared to the quick move-ins. So your expectation, I would turn it like a notch down. These model homes are like fully upgraded. They don't put as much on the quick move-in homes. For the HOA, total, you're going to be paying about $125 a month. And then also you're going to have a shared wall insurance policy, which is $84. It's going to be billed quarterly. Okay. So that just means that you and your neighbor are both protected against any damage. Also too, water is included in your HOA fee. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Right. Welcome everyone to the Plan 1405. Now this is 1405 square feet, 2-story, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. And the price out the door, including like upgrades and lot premiums, you're looking at about 380 to 385. Okay. So the spec homes that they're going to make are going to be 3 bedrooms here, mostly 3 bedrooms. But the way the model is designed is you have the primary bedroom and then a second primary suite. Okay. Now, again, just remember Century, you can't build from lot up. They already start production on these homes and they pick out all the options. So the great thing about these townhomes is you're going to get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. So that's really, really good considering like the price too. Okay, so this is going to be your living room area. So you have your kitchen, your dining room is going to be to the side. And then right back here, you're going to have your door to your garage. Now remember with these lots, if you're looking for driveway space, there's not much of a driveway in this community. Okay. Now over here, you're going to have your powder room. Okay, so you get your pedestal sink, your toilet. As you can see, the ceiling is higher here compared to the bathroom. Looks like the bathroom is probably more like a 8-foot ceiling. But yeah, everything here is fully upgraded, like the backsplash. I'm not too sure if the townhomes are gonna have, the spec homes are gonna have like the backsplash and everything. So just remember, compared to the models, the actual quick moving homes are, it's turned down a notch when it comes to like options. Okay, so do have the cut quartz. Okay, you got the upgraded cabinets. Now remember, this is an electric community, so you won't have gas. Okay, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included, but you will get the oven, dishwasher, and microwave. I love this type of backsplash when they just bring the countertop and they bring it up. I like that. It's clean looking. Oh, look at this small little door here. Okay, so this is your coat closet. Right, so we'll head up to the second floor. Okay, so you got this landing step right here. Okay, high ceilings. Now this is going to be your washer and dryer, your laundry room. Remember, the washer and dryer are not included. So we got the optional cabinets. Okay, so again, guys, this is going to be 2 primary suites. As you can see, this is the primary bedroom, and that's the other suite. But looking at the quick move-ins, there's going to be 3 bedrooms. So one of these rooms, I think that room is going to be a little bit smaller. There's going to be another bedroom. But yeah, this is the primary bedroom. This is actually the most spacious primary bedroom out of the other models in this community. Okay. So you have your nice walk-in shower. Okay, your dual sinks. Got your toilet room, linen closet, and this is going to be your walk-in closet. So yeah, being that this townhouse is 1405 square feet, the primary bedroom spaces, I feel like it takes up, a good amount of that square footage. This is your smart panel box. Again, connect your internet router and your modem here. Yeah, because this primary bedroom is just as spacious as other primary bedrooms in single family homes. Okay, so we'll check out this second suite. And again, we do have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor as well. So this is spacious as well. And then if you had like 3 bedrooms up here, you're gonna have like a separate bathroom, full bath that accommodates the 2 bedrooms. Okay, so you have your nice walk-in closet. Now guys, if you are interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. But if you have a realtor, that's okay. Make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because if you go by yourself, they're going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once you give that to them, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation, just because the new build agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So, definitely get yourself some representation. Cool, and that's the toilet. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the 1405. Again, if you have any questions at all, you want to know what the incentives are, which they're actually really good in this community, just reach out to me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.